Bollywood has its fair share of star kids, children of famous actors who often face the pressure of living up to their family's legacy. One name that has steadily risen above this expectation is Ananya Panday. From her beginnings as a star kid to becoming one of Gen Z's favorite voices, a style icon, and a promising actor, Ananya has worked tirelessly to carve out her own identity. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at how she's breaking stereotypes, defining her career, and proving her talent in the industry. Let's dive into Ananya Panday's inspiring journey. Ananya was born into Bollywood royalty, being the daughter of actor Chunky Pandey. Growing up in the spotlight, she was always surrounded by glamour. But when she made her debut in Student of the Year 2, many wondered if she could live up to the expectations. The Star Kid label was a double-edged sword. It brought opportunities but also intense scrutiny. Critics questioned if she could step out of the shadow of her famous father and deliver performances that stood on their own.
Did you always want to become an actor?
Yeah, I think since I popped out of her, I think I've always wanted to be an actor.
The nepotism debate is an unavoidable part of Bollywood, and Ananya has been one of its primary targets. From the very beginning of her career, she has faced relentless trolling, not just for her performances but also for her public statements and candid moments. Recently, Ananya shared her reaction to seeing her photo on a firecracker packet, expressing her genuine excitement and surprise. While her reaction was innocent and relatable, it quickly became fodder for trolling on social media.
Yeah, I'm sorry for you. That's my dream. Was I actually on it or you made it? Mom! I'm on the Fulgari packet. I'm on the Fulgari packet. This is for my Instagram.
Another incident that drew widespread attention was her comment during the Rajiv Masand interview, where she said, "My dad couldn't make it to Coffee with Karan." This remark, meant to highlight her father Chunky Pandey's limited success in the industry, was met with heavy trolling online, as many saw it as a tone-deaf statement in the context of the nepotism debate.
My dad has never been in a dharma film. He never went on Coffee with Karan. So it isn't as easy as people say it is. I think everyone has their own journey and their own struggle.
Public and even celebs made fun of her or questioned her, like Kangana Ranaut once did in an interview. But instead of reacting with negativity, Ananya has used it as motivation to prove her worth. Kangana, in her typical candid style, mocked Ananya for being part of Bollywood's nepotism gang. But Ananya never let the comments shake her confidence. Whether it's her bubbly role in Student of the Year 2 or her more layered performance in Gehraiya, she continues to show growth and evolution. She's made it clear that she's not just riding the coattails of her family name, she's working hard to create her own space in Bollywood. Ananya has also become a relatable figure for Gen Z, and it's clear why. Through her engaging social media presence and advocacy for mental health awareness, she's built a strong connection with her audience. One of her recent initiatives, so positive that addresses online bullying, an issue close to her heart. And now Ananya isn't just a celebrity, she's a role model for young people trying to navigate the digital age. When it comes to fashion, Ananya has truly become a trendsetter for Gen Z, whether she's dazzling on the red carpet, like in that stunning black sequin mini dress at NMAC, or rocking an effortlessly chic look in her day-to-day life. Ananya always knows how to turn heads, from collaborations with top designers to her ability to blend traditional and modern styles. She's always at the forefront of fashion. Ananya Panday's recent projects reflect her growing maturity as an actor. In 2023, she starred in Dream Girl 2, which highlighted her comedic timing, followed by Kho Gaye Hum Kaha, a heartfelt drama that explored the complexities of modern relationships. Both projects gave her opportunities to showcase different shades of her acting. Then came 2024, a year that marked a turning point for Ananya. She surprised both critics and audiences with two standout performances, first in Call Me Bae, an Amazon Prime Video series, and then in Control, a cyber thriller that released in October. In Call Me Bae, her portrayal of a fashion-forward, sassy yet vulnerable character resonated deeply with Gen Z, making her more relatable than ever. The series allowed her to break away from the glam doll stereotype and show her comedic and emotional range. On the other hand, Control was a completely different ballgame. The cyber thriller demanded intensity and depth, and Ananya delivered a performance that silenced many critics. It was a stark departure from her earlier roles, proving she could handle serious and layered characters with finesse.
But if you talk about Call Me Bae and CTRL, such diverse performances, are you happy with the way it has been received?
Yeah, I'm happy. A lot of people have been asking me, what's changed suddenly, and I feel like people take me more seriously as an actor now, especially within the industry, which is very, very gratifying for me.
Her ability to adapt and take on diverse roles has not only impressed critics but also reshaped the narrative around her career. When people criticize her for nepotism, she lets her work do the talking, steadily carving a path for herself beyond the shadow of her lineage. Looking ahead, 2025 promises to be an exciting year for Ananya. Recently seen in Control, she has an exciting lineup of projects ahead. She is set to star in Chand Mera Dil, a Dharma Productions film alongside actor Lakshya. Additionally, Ananya is currently filming the second season of Call Me Bae and will also appear in an untitled Dharma Productions project, sharing the screen with Akshay Kumar and Madhavan. While the nepotism debate continues to swirl around Bollywood, Ananya is proving that the legacy of her father is just the beginning of her journey, not the end. Instead of letting the negativity weigh her down, she has actively chosen to carve her own path. With every movie, every role, and every public appearance, Ananya shows that she's here on her own merit, rather than just living up to the Star Kid label. She's focused on evolving as an actor and as a public figure. Her ability to embrace new roles and take on new challenges speaks volumes about her ambition and her commitment to building her own legacy, separate from the shadows of nepotism. Ananya Pandey's journey shows a powerful example of resilience and growth. From defying the star kid stereotype to becoming a style icon and a voice for her generation, Ananya is creating a path that's all her own. She's just getting started, and we can't wait to see what she does next. What do you think of Ananya's journey so far? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.